All right, fine. We push the button. Got that fired up on the old YouTube arenas. Now let's update Twitch to say the correct thing. Edit stream info. Science and technology. Boom, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Want to walk in? I'm the king of the room. Fix this Unreal bug, please. We'll can we add Unreal Engine? Is that a thing? Is Unreal Engine a thing I can? Yeah, it is. This gosh darn VR hand setting bug makes me sad. Alright, we'll put Sag. We're going full Twitch lingo here. Alright, let's get this video on the road. So, quick little recap if I can remember correctly, because it's mostly a testing myself here if I remember right. We got a bug going on. Well, shenanigans would not true. Your videos are monetized, just not for you. Well, no, because I think I have I can turn ads off entirely. While you're tiny, or you get that power. This track sounds eerily familiar. I can't put my finger on what song it reminds me of. It's like a rock song. A lot of these tracks are like just legally distinct. I'm pretty sure that that's how these free songs work. They're like, all right, we heard this really good song. We're gonna like slow down the tempo slightly and then remove one instrument. And other than that, it's the exact same song. And now we're gonna release it for free. I'm pretty sure that's exactly how like half of these DMCA free tracks work. You can't change my mind. You can try, but you can't do it. It's not possible. I've seen the light. Know the truth. Desktop. So, pretty sure that what the issue is whenever I did the refactor. So, here's the thing. Every time in the history of forever, I've thought that I've experienced an Unreal Engine bug. It is not. Every time it's been me. Every time. But, I was out in the forums, searching the wide internet, trying to find an answer. Why in the hell this doesn't work? And it seems to be that the answer is it's just broken. So I think if I come over here and we open up the Unreal Engine thing, where's it at? Where's the open the code? Tools, Visual Studio. Here we go. I'm pretty sure if I remove the assignment of the hands, then everything works. There's some bug deep within the real engine, where the real programmers go, where whenever you assign the hand, it just crashes for no fucking reason. For no reasonable reason. I believe it would be fixed if I pulled down the alpha version of Unreal Engine, because it's open source. I can go pull down like the current code for Unreal Engine and then compile that myself and use that. I think if I did that, it would work. I'm pretty sure the bug has been fixed, but they haven't had an official patch update for Unreal Engine 5 in like, I don't know, 3-6 months, somewhere in there. And so, as a result, their fix to this issue hasn't officially made it out. I'm pretty sure that's the case. If this will load, we can test my theory. But we gotta wait for it to load. Gosh darn blue spinny ball of death. Go ahead and log in. Another thing that we can do, sticking with the Unreal Engine, is I've got that beta access to their Unreal Engine 5 refactor for Game Dev TV, And I could go through that. Done loading. All right, sweet. This is done loading. Hey, there's a air here. The air. There's no air. What? This says there's an air. This says there's no air. I don't know why it's lying to me. So yeah, pretty sure. Yeah, the issue is there's a bunch of just random shit open in here. This set hand right here. Pretty sure if we remove this on both sides so that we just don't set the hand, that everything will build. It won't work, but it'll build, which is better than what it's currently doing. And you know what? I guess we can just remove the breakpoint. We'll see if this turns on. Better move the green screen out of the way. Otherwise, base station can't see me. Base station can't see me, then I can't really use any of the VR functionality, you know? Know what I mean? All right. So I think that we can fire this off now and it won't crash. If this still crashes, then we may have other issues. Yeah, see, it didn't crash. So that's the problem, is right there where we're assigning the hands. There's a bug within the engine and you literally just cannot do it. Now you might be thinking, well, what the hell? We had hands before, why don't we have hands now? That's because before we didn't assign the hands, we just made hands. It's a lot different. And what we're doing now doesn't work out like that. So what we're doing now is in the character, like right here, this is all the character code. We go, hey, create a controller, a neutral controller. We don't know what this controller is. It's just a controller. This could be a waist, this could be a hand, it could be a foot, it could be anything. We don't know. And then down here we go, hey, set this controller, set the hand to represent your right hand. And right as soon as we do that, it crashes. It's a bug within the engine. It's nothing I can do about it. I don't think. And what we were doing before up here, see up here we were doing something and it was working. But up here we had a left hand and a right hand. They're removed because we've changed the code, and so that doesn't exist anymore. And whenever we did this, it worked because we weren't creating a neutral controller and then assigning it a hand. The process of assigning it a hand is what's bugged. Before we were creating a left hand, like we're like, boom, it's a left hand. It just birthed into existence as one. So it was never assigned, it was created as one. And with this new direction that we've moved, I don't think we can do that anymore. And the benefit of going this direction, where we have a general hand, that we don't have a left hand, right hand, we just have a hand, and then we tell it which one it's representing. The benefit of this is when we get into climbing, we can just go, here, this is a hand, and a hand climbs by doing whatever the hand does to climb. And it'll work for both of them. Without that, we'd have to do it twice. We'd have to do it for the left and for the right, and that kind of sucks. So, I think that right now, until Unreal Engine 5 gets an update, we're kind of on hold. I don't think there's anything we can do with this project, which sucks. Now, here, maybe. Let's see here. Go to community. Is this gonna show my post? Gonna say unread 17. Maybe somebody's responded. Oh no, these are just generic. These are how many posts have been put on this website since I've been here, not necessarily my post. So, holy shit, some of my stuff has got a lot of views. Certainly this isn't mine, this is just I've been here. Pretty sure that's what that means. Yeah, so this is where we got the answer. The teacher's assistant jumped in and was like, hey, by the way, the stuff's broken. You gotta go back to 427. You gotta go down to 4 instead of being in 5, and then everything works fine. Which is a real bummer. Real bummer. That's why I changed it to say solved-ish, because it's like kind of solved, but it's not really solved. Oh, I didn't realize that they automatically closed forums. Interesting. Yeah, so that kind of sucks. Kind of sucks quite a bit. There's no kind of about it. That just sucks. Where is that C++? Let's go UE5. Show up here? Oh, it does not. Maybe it's Unreal. Let's search Unreal Engine. Yeah, Unreal Engine 5 blueprints. Interesting. Sucks that it's blueprints. Doesn't make any sense, because... Oh, this is a different course. This isn't my course. Okay, no, I don't want to buy a blueprint course. No, thank you. No, thank you. Not interested. This is what I was looking for. So this is a C++ course, and it's in Unreal Engine 5. They're just working on it right now, like actively working on it. It's not finished yet. That's why it doesn't have an image here. We can try going along with this. And this would help out a little bit because, like, I've been getting hung up on just the user interface not being familiar, and you know it'll go over a lot of excuse me, a lot of C++ concepts here, like just basic stuff like pointers and memory references and crap like that. See, functions, pure type. Yeah, this is more of a basic tutorial than the other one is. Oh, well, looks like it's League. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. We might, I think I'm down to start this, but maybe we just start this on a Wednesday. Because I do like doing these programming streams. I find them to be a lot of fun. Another thing, you know, we could just like fuck around in Unreal Engine. Like instead of following a tutorial, I can just like go unhinged and just try to like make shit. That's also fine too. We did that in one stream and we got really far, actually. I felt like we got really far. Not this. Over here in this thing. Where is it at? Oh, excuse me. We've got the yawns. Screenplay? I think this is it. Yeah, we made a cube that did stuff when we got near it. I think we also got a gun in here. I remember Six Corners asking questions about guns, like firing 2 bullets or something like that. So it's obviously been a while since this was opened up. It's actually been almost a year because I know exactly when we launched this. We launched this in like I think it was late July was whenever we launched this last. So it's almost been a year, which is insane. We also have all of these like project assets that we can mess around with. There's a lot of them. Like I don't even know what all I have access to. Damn, I'm really into yawning right now. This is just how long I've had Epic Game Store, because like every month they put out like 5 things for sale. This month I've got something that I'm pretty excited about. I mean, I grabbed everything because why wouldn't I grab free stuff, right? Like, don't you just grab everything that's free? But only one of them I'm really excited about. This simple procedural asset creator. I'm pretty excited about that. RPG FX starter pack. It's kind of cool. And same with the the outside stuff, like just the environment. That's kind of cool. Is this project opened up yet? Good golly. Apparently it takes longer to open up stuff that hasn't been opened in a while. Who would have thought? I know I don't normally think. We just need an update, like right here. We just need a freaking update on this. How can I search this stuff? So if we disable all, can I look at, let's see what blueprints we have. Code plugin sounds cool. And then weapons. That all sounds cool. These all sound like actual like things being done. So what do we have here? Ability pack. What is this? This sounds neat. Is this like League of Legends abilities? Slow time, freeze time, reverse time, speed force, invisibility, dash, recall, and teleport. I don't think you can do that stuff in multiplayer. I don't think you can fuck with time in multiplayer. That does not sound good. Oh my, look at all this. That's a lot of code. I'm not a fan of blueprints. I much prefer it to be in C++. Network replication, no. In other words, it does not work with multiplayer. I would not expect that to. Sounds like a bunch of wild stuff. 95%. It's almost there. It's almost there. And what is... What? What? How did we end up in the marketplace? I was over here. Okay, cool. It saved my settings at least. Advanced vehicles, no thank you. Asset cleaner, no thanks. Auto settings, maybe. Maybe that is like auto detect graphic settings. City engine VR experience. Maybe I should use that for a map. Didn't. Oh, I forgot about this. Well, there's no point in this because this is what Unreal Engine 5 does by default. But this is somebody built out like destruction of things, and it's pretty neat looking too, you know, like it's relatively low poly, so it's like just like this. I think is pretty artistic. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. But Unreal Engine 5 now does that for you for free, so that's really cool. You just don't need that anymore. So once you click on it, it takes you from your library to the marketplace, and then hitting back doesn't take you back to the library. Gotcha. Now I understand. FPS Assault Pack. What we got in here? Hey, the project's loaded. I will now hold on one second. We're looking at things. But yeah, I have I legitimately do not know what everything is that I have access to. And so that's why I was looking at them while we were waiting on that. Is this just like the weapon models and nothing else? Look at the arms. There's some floating arms back here. Ooh, booga booga. It's got a couple attachments. Not many, but enough. 10 meshes, which include a set of arms, 3 attachments, 2 bullets, 2 assault rifles, and 2 rigged versions with all the attachments. 36 textures. Yep, that's pretty basic. But hey, like I said, I got all these for free, so I'm not going to be complaining about free stuff. All right, let's see if we can't remember what the hell we got going on in this thing. I certainly don't remember. Oh, looks like I was messing around with replication. Oh yeah, we got the robots in here. I totally forgot about that. Do we have HP? Can I kill that guy? No, I cannot. And it looks like my arms are all wild. I'm not holding the gun. And then this box activating when you get near it. We did this all in one single stream, if I remember right. This is really close to like finishing the game that I would like to make, right? Like, so you get near the capture point, you can capture it, which we did whenever we made this turn green by walking next to it. So we got that functionality done, and then we've got a gun. It's a crappy gun. We don't have damage. Maybe we just start messing with this project. I need to turn down the graphics though. It looks so good but it's like super laggy because it looks so good. Yeah, it's like dropping frames like crazy on my end, even let alone on the stream. Floor's all shiny. This is why I like Unreal Engine. Like, just the built-in reflections on stuff, like these holograms reflecting off of the ground. The motion blur I could do without. I'm not a fan of motion blur. The lens flare I like personally. I know a lot of people hate lens flare, but like I have glasses, so to me, lens flare is just the way the world is. And then we got balls. Boop, boop. But yeah. Maybe we mess with that. But I'm not feeling like messing with any of that right now, so we might just flick it over to a League stream. And by we might, I mean, let's flick this over to a League stream. Oh, after I killed it, after I scared all of you away by not doing League, I'll now do League. But hey, I've got like a rule that's turned out pretty well for the most part. And that is like, so we've got things that like I want to do. Like I want to do these programming stuff, right? In general, I want to do this. In general, I want to mess around with Unreal Engine. And then just most of the time I don't. But in general, that's the thing I want to do. And so whenever I'm not feeling like doing it, I just fire it up anyways. Fire it up, mess around, look at some stuff, and interact with it for like 5 to 10 minutes. And what I've found is a lot of times just doing that, I like get in the mood, you know, like just messing around with it for just a little bit. I'll be like, you know what? I actually do